So I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I just wanted to reach out to you and share my thoughts about what's going on in the stock market today. The stock market closed quite in the red, and it's quite disturbing. We've seen this happen over and over in the recent times, and we don't know when this is going to come to an end. But one thing I want to share here in this video is that when it comes to investing, when it comes to building wealth, one of the key things that we need to always keep in mind is that long-term approach. Now, when you look at a chart, when you look at what the indices are saying, we notice that they are not looking good right now. I'm just going to pull up Yahoo Finance right here. The S&P 500 is down 0.76%. The Dow is down 1.14%. The Nasdaq is down 0.18%. The Russell is up 0.22%. And that is not significant at all in any way. But I just want to share with you that, every day-to-day move shouldn't be checked. I always say this every time. I don't check my stock. I don't check my portfolio every day. Now, one thing I would do is if there are certain investments that I know that maybe I'm in the green or I want to protect, I may choose to go sell some of those shares. And actually, I'm going to share a video I believe today or tomorrow on what I did on the Bank of America shares that I owned and I've held for more than a year. And that is important because especially if you are trying to put yourself in favorable tax situations, and I shared the things that you can do and how to make sure that you put yourself in a good position tax wise. Now, going forward, what am I thinking is likely to happen? Well, to be honest, I don't see much of this changing. We just heard in the news that the president has decided to increase the tariffs on the Canadian steel, I believe, and it's going to go up to like 50%, something like of that anyway. And we don't know how that would really affect the stock market tomorrow, especially if something else develops overnight. And that is something that we need to keep in mind. A lot of these negotiations and discussions happen, after the market closes, especially, and, waking up in the morning to something totally different could change the direction in which the stock market is going, either in the good side in terms of the upside or the downside. Now, if you are somebody who is worried about what is happening right now, I would say that do not worry. Invest on a regular basis as you've been doing. Don't even check your portfolio. This is going to be a quick recovery, or it could be a long recovery. And either way, as long as you have a long-term horizon and you're not worried about what the market is doing right now, you should be fine. The other thing also is that a lot of these tariffs and these negotiations, right? We know that this can't continue forever. It cannot continue forever. It's not good for any of the countries. It's not good for US as well, no matter how you want to spin it. At the end of the day, it's going to hurt everybody, because if they keep going at this war, keep increasing tariffs on goods and things, that would make things hard for everybody. And for that reason, it's obvious that this shouldn't last for too long. And that is where patience is key. That is where you need to look at the long term and do your part by investing what you have. Don't get greedy. Just do what you normally would do. Don't put in all your money at once. Don't try to time the market, okay, because you never get it right. Today seemed like it was going to be in the green. It started in the green today after a huge sell-off yesterday. And of course, it turned down to be a red day as well. And we could continue in this pattern for the next couple of weeks, maybe months. I don't know. But make sure you just keep that in mind. Now, what are you doing? What are the steps you are taking to protect yourself and to make sure that you are not in a bad spot, right? I try to get information from people on what they are doing, because maybe the ideas can, we can share ideas and see what you are doing that is maybe favorable, and maybe we should consider doing that as well, and other people, I mean. But I know what I'm doing, and I'm not worried about all of this. I just wanted to share my thoughts with you. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you in a future video.